Hello everyone, this is a quick recap of what we did in class today. So we have finished reading all of the new texts that will go into the brainstorming document for the argument essay. That brainstorming document is something we've been working on for the entire third quarter. Because of that, it is worth 50 points, which makes it the biggest grade of third quarter. That is about equivalent to 5 days of classwork. I have made it due the very last day before spring break, which is Friday the 26th at midnight. And our goal in class today was to work on getting that brainstorming sheet finished. I know a lot of you are behind on this, so you will have more time to work on it, but that was the main focus of class today. So if you have not yet started this sheet, or if you have not worked on it for a while and forget what you're doing, over here in this box there is a link to a video that is a screencast of me explaining exactly how you are supposed to fill it out. Please watch that, and if you have questions about anything in the video, send me a remind message or talk to me in class so that I can clear up any confusions you have. I'm going to show you where you can find what you need to do this assignment. This argument essay brainstorming assignment, I have been just sort of dragging it around into different cycles as we've gone through the quarter. So it is now in the bottom of cycle 19. Your copy of the brainstorming document is in there, and I have added in a Google Doc that contains every single text on the brainstorming document. So if you are missing some that you were absent or you didn't fill one in for whatever reason, all you need to do is find the title of the one that you're missing, click on it, and it is a link that will take you directly to that text. So you are able to work through and get any of the ones that you're missing from this single document. If you need Spanish translation, there is also a Spanish copy of that document. But please remember, you will need to translate your work into English before you turn it in. So if you're looking for stuff in the Spanish copy, that's fine. Just make sure to run your brainstorming doc through Google Translate before you turn it in to me. So you can see if you have time because you are finished with the brainstorming document, now is the time to start looking to complete any missing work from third quarter. And if you don't have missing work, to do a bonus assignment. In order to have access to those bonus assignments, you need to ask me, because I need to make sure that you have turned in your other work first. So if you think you're eligible for one, because you don't have any work missing, let me know, and I will make it available to you on Classroom. Otherwise, brainstorming doc was the purpose of the day. Make sure you get that finished and turned in by Friday the 26th at midnight.